Hi and welcome to the channel. Sorry it's been a little while that there's been no update, but I've got to get on and earn a living as well in amongst it, so I've been doing a few other things. I have been working on the car though, and I'm quite pleased with progress, so I'm going to show you how we've progressed. So we've had a general clean up of everything here. You can see the scuttle is more or less finished now. Obviously I need to dull the paint back because it's far too shiny at the minute. I'm going to try and age the paint the same as the bonnet and the wings to try and get it all looking the same sort of age. As you can see in here, the floor's in. I've used stainless steel on the door panels and on the dash. I think it matches the aluminium quite nicely, and of course you've got the strength and durability of stainless. It takes a bit of working. We've managed to sort the controls out now, so they're all nicely working. The engine's running a lot better, but we're still working on that. So I've started getting the doors on. Obviously there's no door where I'm sitting, it's a jump in and out thing at the minute. So panelled them all inside. Use some nice strong hinges on there. Obviously a lot of the fixings I need to replace with something a bit more authentic looking. I'm certainly not keeping these on there. The exhausters, as you can see, we've been firing up a little bit and it's sort of aging nicely in the corner there. But it's the original box, so I'm happy enough with it for now. So we start having a walk around the back of the car. The batteries are in. I've just got to make the catch box in there now, and I think they're quite a nice old looking handle. So we get to the back now and the question of the petrol tank. So we've managed to sort our tank problem out. As you can see, it's gone green. It's been pressure tested, so that's I'm happy enough with. The next job is to connect it up and get the car to run with the original tank. It's been on a bladder tank up to now, so that'll be a trying time. The rack, I've decided I wanted a rack on it after all, so I can get some tools on there, or a big picnic basket would be nice. The mudguards, I've had yet another polish to try and get them all matching. I think I'm going to be on quite a while aging the paint and that type of thing. The doors done. I keep little handles inside because I don't like people getting in and out themselves. I prefer to open the door for someone. I'm moving in, we get another look at the dash. Obviously that clock's going in there. I've got someone on at the minute with the ignition switch. We eventually managed to get an original key sorted out by taking one of the bonnet locks off, so all the bonnet's locking as it should now. We've got another catch to make for the other side. I'm quite happy with this, so the next stage is filling this gap with some nice comfy seats. And I'm fancying something sort of the look of a Chesterfield but fluted. Something in keeping, with a nice rolled arm around it. But we'll see. We'll see what we end up with. Thanks very much for watching, and see you next time.